company is into manufacturing and distribution of agrochemicals across India. The company has been promoted by two very renowned players, one being Indian Fertilizer Major IFFCO Limited and the other one being Mitsubishi Corporation of Japan. The option to go for any established ERP to begin with was ruled out because the cost was very prohibitive. The other option was to get the custom ERP developed. That suffers from a lacuna that every time there is some change, you have to redo everything and then you have to start refresh. So we decided to take a look and evaluate certain other options, and then we came across Tally ERP. When we started evaluating it, I was surprised to note the kind of robustness and flexibility this tool offers. All the features that are normally required for any operations were available in the system. Plus, this system has the capability of integration with custom packages without much effort. It was very tightly integrated with the tax compliance portion, which again is a very major challenge with any global ERP. We are convinced this product can meet our requirement, and we started operation keeping Tally ERP into center. We were able to tightly integrate with Tally ERP without much effort, and we were able to streamline our operations within first few months of starting the company. And fortunately, we got very good Tally implementation partner, which was suggested by Tally, and they helped us a lot in streamlining the process and faster implementation across all our locations. Those customizations were very simple but quite innovative in the sense that they reduced our manual entry job to a great extent. Just thought that why not implement a good BI, that is business intelligence tool, on top of Tally ERP so that we can get the timely reports, and that too in a modern design way. This data, if coupled with the visualization capabilities of BI, we can get very good dashboards. I am happy to share that within a short period of roughly around 2 to 3 months, we could develop all the dashboards, and once we demonstrated these dashboards to our management, they were very happy. They appreciated our efforts that with minimal cost we have been able to achieve what they are currently getting with global ERPs. Subsequently, we faced another challenge, that was entry of the GST era. But surprisingly, Tally helped us a lot in the sense that their first product that came with GST functionalities was so smooth that we started our operations the day GST was introduced. We operated without any fail and without any downtime. So that says a lot about the robustness, the capability of the tool. It is able to serve the requirements normally a large organization has, especially in terms of reports. I think we are the unique organization who is able to run the QA on top of Tally ERP. So yes, Tally as a tool has helped us a lot in terms of streamlining our process, keeping the IT operation cost to a bare minimum. I hope Tally will keep on surprising us with more and more features in their future releases. Fortunately for me, I was able to meet their managing director, Mr. Goenka, and I must say the kind of vision he has for Tally, keeping in mind the Indian conditions, hats off to him for giving us such a nice product at such a nice price.